Ever wondered why some people seem to have a magic touch when it comes to making money? Well, the secret isn't in a magic wand, but in the understanding of a process. Today we explore that process and how you too can master the art of making money. First off, recognize that money isn't an end, but a means to an end. It's a tool that allows us to exchange goods and services. Understanding this principle is the foundation for making money. So, how does one make money? It begins with offering a product or a service. This could be anything from selling handcrafted jewelry to offering digital marketing services. The key here is to identify what you're good at and what you can offer that others may need or want. Secondly, understand the market. Knowing who needs or wants your product or service and what they're willing to pay for it is crucial. This involves researching your potential customers, understanding their needs, and pricing your product or service appropriately. Thirdly, it's all about the hustle. This involves promoting your product or service, making sales, and ensuring customer satisfaction. It could involve creating a website or a social media presence, networking with potential customers, or even knocking on doors. The hustle is where the real work begins, and it's often what separates those who make money from those who don't. Lastly, managing your finances effectively is crucial. This involves keeping track of your income and expenses, saving and investing wisely, and ensuring you're not spending more than you're making. So to sum up, making money involves offering a valuable product or service, understanding your market, hustling to make sales, and managing your finances effectively. It's not about having a magic touch, but about understanding and applying these principles. Remember, making money isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with these principles in mind, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. So, as we close today's discussion, remember the 4 key steps: offering a product or service, understanding the market, hustling, and effective financial management. These are the building blocks to making money. It's not magic, it's process. And the beauty of a process is that it can be learned, mastered, and replicated. In the end, making money is less about the end goal and more about the journey. It's about learning, growing, and making a difference. So begin your journey today, and who knows where it might lead you tomorrow.